So once you've logged into Google, what you can see here is over on the right hand side, there's your icon that you might have. I'm using my daughter's profile so that I can get this done. But over here, you've got these Google Apps. So you're going to look for Google Apps. If you want to get to Classroom, you would just choose Classroom. It's going to pull it up. You have your list of classes. All right, I'm using test class for her, but you would use your class that I have for you. So whatever period you're in, you're going to choose that. And then in the stream, you can see anything that's happening, people's comments, things that I've just assigned or other posts. All right, if you just want to go to classwork, that's where you're going to start. You're going to look for this case, you're going to look for parent emails, but in your day-to-day, you're going to start with whatever the lesson is for the day. So if there is a due date next to something, that's the stuff that you're doing for that day. So I have a little lesson here, which there's another video that I made that shows you about the lessons. But you would always start with the lesson, okay? And from there you go on. Before we do anything else, though, I want to have you do this one thing, which is parent emails. So you're going to do that first. So you log in. If you haven't done this yet, you're going to log in and go to parent emails. You click on that. It's going to show you some stuff, showing you that it's assigned. You can view the assignment if you want, or you can just go right in and get started. So in here, you're going to fill this out, first name, last name, what period you're in, and then your parent's email address. All right, then you would submit that. Once you've submitted that, then that's it for that assignment. All right, you can mark it as done. It might automatically do it. I'm not exactly sure, but you would mark it as done. And this is what you're doing with these various things. So if you need to add some work, by the way, to anything in your assignments, if it's something that I'm asking you to create, and I'm not sure what that might be at this point, I'm trying to make that as simple as possible, that you don't have stuff that you actually have to turn in. It'll be all self-contained as much as I can. But if there is something, you would do the add or create and then mark is done. It's going to ask, oh, there we go. Mark is done, and that's it for that. Other issues or other things about it, I want you to know. For instance, if you share something with the class up here, that is going to post to everywhere. Oops. Everyone can see it, okay? If it's inappropriate, I will delete it, all right? Just so you know. And if it becomes a problem, I'll mute you entirely, all right? And other people can mute you as well if they don't like that. But if you are wanting to privately message me, you can't privately message other people, but you can privately message me. If you go to your assignments, so let's just say this one right here. Let's view the assignment. Over here, you've got this add class comments right down here. But over here it says private comment. It's just for me, okay? And then you'll send me that, and then I will receive that on the other end. Now, I will grade this work, and then I will comment you back privately, okay? So I won't be posting anything about your assignments on the actual class page. And if you look here, that thing she just posted is not anywhere. You don't see that private message. So that's the difference between public and private. Okay, and then in a second we'll talk a little bit more about the other various features of Google Classroom and other ways that we can connect.